channel. Still like euro yen, dollar yen really hasn't breaking it, and you know what? Thanks for pointing it out. I think I'm gonna go short on euro yen right now at 01. If I make money, I'm gonna thank you very much, but if I start losing, I'm gonna go get you. Now, how do I post this trade? I know I'm in at 01. Do we want to take it as a swing or what? What I'll do is I'm gonna be in it, and depending on how the market goes with dollar yen, I'll get out or get in. So when I'm looking at euro yen, to be clear, and most traders here in the room, I'm looking euro yen to stay in it until dollar yen decides to break from the hour box. Now, two things can happen. Dollar yen can stay flat and euro dollar starts shooting up. Then we have to get out of euro yen because it'll drag euro yen with it. So since euro is kind of around this 70-ish area, I'm looking to short euro around 75. You know, it has a good level of resistance around there. I'll be in euro yen in case euro and both dollar yen decides to come down. I'll have a very good what we call on euro yen. So we'll see how that goes. Market is a little slow now, but hopefully Obama or Bernanke can say the economy is terrible. Everybody starts running for safety, and dollar yen drops, euro dollar drops, and euro yen will be dropping nicely with it. Aussie at 70, 80. It should be fine up there. You know that Aussie is actually my least favorite pair to trade. If I see the trade, I'll take it, but I always swallow hard when I'm in Aussie. Euro yen around 12 or so, 10. If it breaks 10, see, euro dollar yen is already breaking the hour, so there's a good time for me to reanalyze euro yen. Dollar yen is breaking the hour box, and as planned, I have to already start. I do a small ad on euro yen. I mean a equal ad on euro yen around 10. I'll add another lot, and if it breaks 13, I'll be exiting euro yen. Simple trade, not to get complicated. It could have worked the other way for 30 pips. Break this hourly level of 42, 45. The only thing that can help euro yen come down if dollar yen decides to go up will be euro dollar coming down hard from 75. Kiwi's at 60, 63. All right, let's take Kiwi, 63, 7-point stop. Simple trade. We're risking 7 to make 20. So risking 7 on Kiwi to make 20 is a good risk return, risk reward. I wouldn't take any. I don't suggest you take 7 on Kiwi. You have to take at least 10 because of what our strategy is. Now, Kiwi has a very strong resistance at 70 as well. So a 10-point stop on the Kiwi. Ten-point stop on Kiwi. Euro yen back to break even. Let's see what can happen here. Dollar yen is still kind of, is it going to break the hour? Aussie yen, which I love. 36. Paul, very good level at 40. Okay, Euro yen, I'm going to take 7 points on half Euro yen and put a stop. And we'll see if we can get Euro yen for the rest of the session, plus 20 or so. So it took half at 95, kind of came up again a little bit, putting a stop loss back to break even. Actually, I may give it a little bit of room to breathe, maybe at 03 or so. Put a stop to Euro yen. 04, give it a couple of 2 pips. Chris, did you post that trade at 67? All right, where is Kiwi now? Kiwi, I'm +2 on Kiwi, +1. Kiwi is actually a slow mover. It's like a turtle. But I'm very comfortable with this Kiwi trade, honestly. To tank with dollar yen or euro dollar. The only thing saving euro yen right now is that euro dollar is dropping because dollar yen stayed flat. But again, before we got in the trade, we saw the scenario. We analyzed everything that can happen on euro dollar and dollar yen. And if you take your time to think and stop jumping into trades like we all do sometimes, it'll pay off in the future for you. All right, we see cable here dropping at a level where I may take it long. In cable 06, in cable 06, my line. All right, figure is my line. It bounced from 06 earlier, didn't break that, so I'm taking the upside of this thing. My line is the figure. If it starts breaking 0-0, then I'll get nervous, I'll get out and re-enter at around 85 cable. So the Kiwi is actually made a stop exactly at my red line, exactly. Okay, it made a stop there. We'll see how it reacts. Maybe the market starts realizing that it doesn't want to move, and we have more sellers in the market around this area, and Kiwi can give us nice profits, 20 points on the way down to the other line, or at least halfway through, which would be 45 or so. Hugh, on the euro-yen trade, you have to thank Shailesh for reminding me. Him too. I didn't mention it, euro-yen, but I had my eye off of it at the level of 02, 03 when it got there. All right, cable. Where am I in cable? Am I actually up 6 points? Wow. I feel like I know what I'm doing. All right, up 7 on cable. I'm taking 7.5 from 06. 7 is the new 20 for me. And hopefully we can get some more. And hopefully I'm not the only one making money here. I know Paul had to be in with me. If you're not in, Paul, I'm mad at you. And I just love the price action we have now. It's not too fast, it's not too slow. It's just the way I love it, man. You can have time to analyze the trades. You have somewhat of a halfway decent movement. You can plan. We have a lot of price action. It's fun too because we can get those hourly levels. The extended reversals come in when you have a lot of price action. I put a 10-point stop margin on Kiwi's not breaking this level. I mean, till now, it made a strong move from 34 to 64, and it stopped here. So we'll give it room to breathe. Kiwi is actually a slow mover, but I did put a 10-point stop right on top of the 15-minute L7, R7. But if you're expecting those big moves on Kiwi, you're not going to get it. Kiwi's actually very slow. And I think it's kind of moves like a turtle, always in respecting the trend lines and channels. It trades in a channel and then breaks it and then creates another channel. If we can get lucky. So I can take on the second half plus 15 around 2021, which 25 is actually a good short for cable. Give me 2 minutes, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, guys. Sorry, closed cable at 20 for, that was my target for the balance on cable, so I closed it out. It's actually a good spot to short cable around here and also 24, 25.